lunchtime at Atpan Restaurant with Ate and Kuya, Reven, Marlon, and Judy. Yung Bibi nandyan. Yummy. Tomato with pork and noodles. Siyempre kanin. Para mabusog tayo. Meron pa kaming extra na noodles. Pero pag busog na, solid na yan. Eat all you can, guys. Dinner, no, lunchtime, sorry. Ice cream na si Ribbon. Let's eat, guys. Good for cold weather. Ate sa akin. Dagan ko rin.
Pinas na ada kain kami sa labas ng mga
Mas mahal doon, lalo na walang pera. Thank you,